Hi, my name is Adam, and thank you for purchasing a Gold Medal Director's Chair. Today I'm going to walk you through how to correctly and safely set up your chair so that you can enjoy it for years to come. First thing we want to do is go through what you received in your package and make sure you got all the elements that you need to correctly assemble your chair. First thing, of course, is the chair frame. Need that. Also, in the package, you should have received this skinnier piece of fabric. That's your canvas back. An instruction sheet, which is also outlining the things that I am today. A canvas seat, and 2 wooden dowels. So first things first, we put the dowels into the seat. So dowel 1 goes in. We want to make sure that it goes all the way into the seat, in between the 2 hems where the fabric is thicker on the ends. We'll flip this around and do the same thing on the other side. Dowel number 2 is in and centered. So now we will start putting the seat into the frame. We'll start side 1, come over here to start side 2, and then we'll slide the whole assembly back until it's centered on the chair frame rails. Now, step 2, we'll rotate the arms upwards, and we'll take our back and put it over the back posts. And note how the chair is still in the folded up position. That decreases the distance between the back posts and relieves the tension on the back so that we can get everything slid on easily. So now we'll start to unfold the chair, and we start to resemble a chair now, but now we have to lock out the braces. So we have 1 brace here and 1 brace in the back. Put our foot on it, and with purely downward pressure, we don't want to push in or out at all. We just want to push downward so we don't bend the brace. We lock that down, flip the chair around, and do the same thing on the back. And there you go. Once those are locked down, you're all done. Now your chair is ready to enjoy. I hope this video has been informative and helpful for you. If you have any other questions or need to contact us directly, please email us or call us. Thank you for watching. Bye.